Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to display a preview thumbnail of uploaded image file in Forminator form in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Forminator form. This is our upload file. Choose file. Now select any file, but you don't see image preview. So we are going to display image preview on upload file. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation on left side you see code snippet, and then you see add snippet. So click on it, and then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, and then you can add title. Then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see form ID 3606. So you can add your form ID. So our form ID is 3606. Now you see Forminator form, back to code, and then you see ID, upload field ID. Now you see hash upload -1. So when we highlight, now you see on folder location 1 2 3 4. So you can add your upload file ID. Now go to form. Now you see upload -1. So this ID we are using in custom code. Now back to code. Now you see in folder location when we highlight, so you can add form ID and field ID according to your requirement, and then scroll down you see insert method auto insert location run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to Forminator form and refresh the page. Now you see upload file, so click on choose file button. Now select image, and then you see image preview on Forminator form using custom code. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.